Okay, we will set up one outdoor with key card reader module and keypad module and 3 screens. But before we set this up, make sure that the dip switch behind this device are switch on. For example, is the this one is your first auxiliary, so number one after the outdoor. Okay, I remove the rubber, check the dip switch, all of them are the turn off. Make sure that number one is turned on. Okay, just turn back again. Then we will use 485 connector. Put this on in. Then this one is only one connector from outdoor. Okay, now we connect the first device. So we will connect this as the second device. There's a rubber also behind it. Check the dip switch, all of them are turned off. Make sure that number 2 is turned on, 1 is off. This is device number 2. Okay, put back the rubber, then put the RS485 in. Okay, so the other end is from this first device, the number 1, so it will be out going to in. Okay, now we are ready to power on the device using PoE switch. I have here the PoE cut 6 connector. Let's power on all of it. Okay, let's wait. Okay, the outdoor is already boot up. Let's wait for the 2 screens. Okay, okay, now this is the default screen setup for the screen. You can modify the password here on the screen, also the password for your outdoor, or you can use IBMS. Okay, we will set up the main screen first. This is our main screen. Okay, put the device password. Okay, you will enter wizard, so you select language English. Okay, if you are using network, there's a internet connection, just put DHCP and it will turn off. The IP address, the available IP will be shown here. Okay, it will adapt to the device. Next, So this will be our main screen, so indoor station. Registration password, put this one. Device password also. Okay, so this is the room number and floor number. Okay, next, if you're using internet and you will use your mobile to give notification, just enable this one, then click here to put the verification code. See, you will type, only alphanumeric characters are recognized by this. Okay, next, see, the outdoor is inactive. You can see. Okay, it's inactive. You can activate it by you pressing this one. It will ask you to activate. Okay, so same password of your device for your screen will be adapted by your outdoor, but the IP still in default. Click again this one, make this one to DHCP. It will not be automatic turn off. You must press OK. You will wait until the device change the IP. Or you can press the refresh. See, the device IP show now. Finish. Okay, now it's showing SIP. You can see the outdoor by live view. Okay, and this is the room number 1. Okay, by pressing this it can call. You can press also this one to call this one. Okay, by pressing the room number, then number sign, it can call. Okay, so we will set again another screen but different room number. Okay, we will set the device password again, same as the other one. We will do the same thing as the first screen, but we will change the room number. Okay, enable this one, number, main station also, because if you change this one to extension, once the first screen is ringing, this will be ring also. So we will not use extension, the indoor station only. Room number, you can use 17. Okay, room number 17. Okay, enable this one. Then you will not change the outdoor anymore because it's already activated and there's an IP already. Just choose this one, finish. Now change to SIP. Let's see if the outdoor is working. Okay, this one, when I press this, it will not ring. It will not ring the room number, the screen number 17, only the first screen. See, this one is ringing only. Okay, we'll try now to call, see, room number 17. We'll try to call 17. Okay, we're trying now to call 17. Just press the room number 17, then pound sign, number sign. It can call. Okay. Okay, we'll try the last screen. We'll do the same thing. Enter the wizard, DHCP, indoor station also. Try to change this one into 25, room number 25. Okay. Okay, now configured. Then choose the outdoor. Finish. Check this also. Okay, change to SIP. You can see the outdoor. Okay. I'll try to call this screen, room number 25. 25. Okay. You can call each other screen by calling its room number, but once you call screen to screen, there's no video at all, only voice. Okay, I will show you. You can call the room from room number 25 to room number 1. It's calling. Then you will see here 25. Room number 25 is calling. Okay, the other one is not calling. You can call also. This one is 17. 17. This is not ringing because it's room number 1. You're calling 17, it's ringing. 25 is calling. Okay, from room number 1, we will call number 17. Can call number 25. Okay. Okay. Then for the configuration of the card, there's a MasterCard. You will tap this one. Then if you have a My Fair card, you can tap this one. Tap first this and tap the unregistered one for a while. Let us I'll show you first that this one is not working. See, it's not working. It's not telling you to the door is open. Okay, this is the MasterCard. Tap first, then tap the register. You will register. You will hear only one beep. Then tap the MasterCard. Now the unenrolled card is now enrolled, so it can open the door now. The door is open. Okay. Thank you.